Hi, this is Mike with Marine Max Sail and Ski. Today I'm taking a good look at a 2020 Super Air Nautique G21. This boat has a lengthy list of options, but the first thing I noticed was the metallic reef accent with the reef blue hull and mystic white. This boat really pops. One of those notable options includes the Nautique Steering Assist. This is an integrated steering system that allows any skill level operator easy control around the dock, low speed maneuvers, even reversing. We have the optional rear boarding ladder, making it easy to transition from the water into the boat. Also, next to those popular transom seats in the back, we've got an integrated cooler and the optional stereo control. This boat also features Nautique strapless board racks, which is going to give you the ability to swivel the board racks in, easily load any size surfer or wakeboard, and swivel it back out of your way without having to utilize bungee cords. We have the optional Bimini top. We have the upgraded 8.8 tower speakers, giving you plenty of sound behind the boat when you're out there water skiing, wakeboarding, surfing, or just having a good time swimming in the cove.
Thanks again for stopping by to take a look at some of the key features and options on this particular boat. We're happy to help you with any boat we have in our inventory from our Austin, Lakeway, or San Antonio location. Feel free to contact me direct at area code 210-347-5768. We'll see you on the water.